Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to blur the background in DaVinci Resolve. Let's jump right in. First, go to Color tab, then right-click your clip, then select the Add node and click the Add Serial. With the second node highlighted, click the window icon, then choose the Curve tool. Now, carefully trace around the subject you want to isolate from the background. Continue outlining until you connect back to your starting point. Next, click the tracker icon and select the track forward. DaVinci Resolve will now automatically track your subject through each frame. Now, right-click the second node again, then select Add Node and choose Add Outside. Click and drag the Gaussian blur effect onto the third node. From here, adjust the blur strength until you get your desired effect. And that's it. You've successfully blurred the background in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.